My mood is off today. My mood is off today. I don't know. I don't know. My father has come back home. My father has come back home. I am talking on the phone. I am talking on the phone. I am talking to the friend on the stairs. I am talking to the friend on the stairs. I am listening to songs on the radio. I am listening to songs on the radio. I am traveling by bus. I am traveling by bus. The bus is very crowded. The bus is very crowded. I am waiting in line at the hospital. I am waiting in line at the hospital. I ate all the food. It was very tasty. I ate all the food. It was very tasty. I am getting my makeup done. I am getting my makeup done. My bag got stuck in the metro door. My bag got stuck in the metro door. Someone left their bag on the bus. Someone left their bag on the bus. I am changing a car tire. I am changing a car tire. We are dancing together to a song. We are dancing together to a song. I am very excited today. I am very excited today. Something feels wrong. Something feels wrong. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. This is all because of you. This is all because of you. Stop crying. Everything will be okay. Stop crying. Everything will be okay. We made a pinky promise. We made a pinky promise. I am playing with my mother. I am playing with my mother. I brought a gift for you. I brought a gift for you. I went to see him off. I went to see him off. We are hanging on our father's arms. We are hanging on our father's arms. I laughed so hard that I cried. I laughed so hard that I cried. I am full. I am full. I am yawning. I am yawning. My alarm is ringing, but I want to sleep. My alarm is ringing, but I want to sleep. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. My brother is taller than me. My brother is taller than me. I smell something bad. I smell something bad. The baby is crawling. The baby is crawling. I am drawing in the sand with a stick. I am drawing in the sand with a stick. I am sleeping in an awkward position. I am sleeping in an awkward position. I am calling out loudly. I am calling out loudly.